Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 1 Victoria Place. Now, this is a fantastic one-bedroom terraced property with the additional loft room. We've got 2 reception rooms, a low-maintenance rear garden, and a fantastic town centre location with this one. Now, you can see that the property is in need of a little bit of modernisation, but this gives you the perfect opportunity to come straight through and create the sort of property that you want. So, having come straight through into the first of the reception rooms and having a little look there at the kitchen just before going through and taking a look at the lounge there, fantastic amount of open reception space to work with. And then upstairs we've got the principal bedroom here at the front, a little bit of storage tucked away there in the corner, and that lovely big window letting all of that natural light flood through. And then to the other end here we've got the main family bathroom area. Of course, we've got the bath on the left hand side, shower unit on the right as well, loo and sink unit on the right and left respectively. And again, a lot of natural light coming through from the rear. And then heading upstairs, we've got that really convenient loft room as well for a little bit of additional bedroom space. So I really hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at number 1 Victoria Place today, this wonderful terraced home, giving you 1 bedroom and 1 loft room. You've got the 2 reception rooms, a low maintenance rear garden, and a fantastic town centre location. It is in need of a little bit of modernisation, but a wonderful opportunity nonetheless, and all offered with no forward chain. Again, I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, you want to give us a call today to book your own free valuation.